Hey everybody, it's Troy, Roadside RC. We are out here with our TRX4 in it's like snow, ice stuff. We live in Middle Tennessee, this white stuff on the ground. We don't get this. What is this stuff? Actually, unfortunately, it's not really snow. It's actually mostly ice. But we're gonna try to hit the backyard crawler course and have some fun with our TRX4 just to see how bad it really is when it's below freezing and just everything's covered in ice. I have a feeling this might result in a lot of tire spin. Let's go see what happens.